check this out.
We have a reproduction of the Labyrinth at Chartres Cathedral in France that we have installed at the crossing here in Duke Chapel for people to walk, to pray, to meditate, to use as a form of focus in their personal spirituality. We try to use it at least once a year. It's not a maze. The Labyrinth has one way in and one way out, so you can't get lost. But the idea is more to take your prayer, your focus, your energy with you in a very focused way, to leave everything else aside and focus it on this path that you're walking in. And I like to tell people, take whatever your intention is to the heart of the Labyrinth, and then perhaps you find what you were looking for and you bring it back out with you.